Okay, let's do 4.4, question number 2. Number 1, find the value of k. K is here. We have to find the value of k if they have two equal roots. This is the part you have to read carefully. Two equal roots. And we have already studied, while we were studying quadratic formula, that if they have two equal roots, if you remember it well, b square minus 4ac positive takilido two different roots, b square minus 4ac negative takishigulido no real roots, and if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then we have two equal roots, right? Equal. So let's do here a equal to 2, b equal to whatever is attached with x is b, so b equal to k. Now a is 2, whatever is attached with x square. C is 3, constant. According to question, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. This is a 1 mark question, and I've already told you 1 marks is now one marks is becoming very important because 16 marks I don't know. So maybe this exact question might not come, but similar to these questions where you have to find the value of k, and it's the value of k is determined by doing this thing only. So 2 into 2 is paired out, so we can take 2 out, and then 2 and 3 no pairs, so 3 into 2 is 6. So plus minus I, whatever, because we are removing the root. At this a pair of 2 is coming out, so plus minus. Therefore k equal to 2 root 6 or minus 2 root 6. This plus minus 2 root 6. Okay, don't get confused. Let's do the second one, Roman number 2. The second one, it's not of the form quadratic. It's not of a quadratic form. Here, let's see, in this one we clearly see that x square is attached with something, x is attached with something, and constant is there, but we don't have that here. So first we have to open the bracket and make it in the quadratic form. So let's open the bracket first. So kx, this thing will multiply this, and it will multiply this also turn by turn. So kx square, and then if I multiply this, it will become minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Here, whatever is attached to x square is a. So in this case, a is k. Whatever is attached to x is b, along with the sign and everything. Okay, so b is minus 2k, and then the constant is 6, right? So according to question, b square equal roots, so b square minus 4ac is 0, so b in this case is minus 2k, the whole square minus 4 into k into 6 equal to 0. 2 to the 4k square minus 6 for the 24k equals 0, and then I can send 24 this side, so 4k square equal to 24k. K and one of the k cancels. K square means k into k, right? And then 1k is here, so I can cancel those two. So k equal to 24 by 4, or k equal to 6. So k is 6. So let's move on to the next question, that is question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth? So let's take the smaller one, breadth. Let the breadth be x, and then the length, therefore length equal to twice its breadth, so 2 times of the breadth, which is x. And area is this, so area, they've given us area equal to 800. So but area of a rectangle, since it's a rectangle, right, area of a rectangle is length into breadth, right? And what is length? X, 2x, and breadth is x. 2x into x is 2x square. I can cut 2 with this thing. 2 4s are 0 0. So square goes this side, it becomes root over. If it becomes root over, 400 root is 20, okay? Plus minus will come. I know it's 20 because 400 you can write as 4 into 100. And then 2 root is 2. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 100 is 10. So 20. Okay. So therefore x equal to 20 or x equal to minus 20. This one is rejected because this we're talking about rectangle and it cannot be negative. So hence breadth is x and length x, but x we got 20 and length was 2x, so double of x is 40. So meter since it was given meter square. Okay, let's do question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine the present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. So let the age of let's say one person be x. So there's two persons, let's say A and B. Okay, A's age we're taking as x. We know that A and B age together is 20. So B's age will be what? 20 minus x, right? Therefore the age of other person equal to 20 minus x. A to x as a plus B to 20 as a, so B to 20 minus x ho, A to minus ho. So but A is x, so 20 minus x ho, so B is 20 minus x. Got it? So the age of one person is x, the age of the other person is 20 minus x. The question is saying the sum of the ages of the two friends is 20. 4 years ago, so we have to subtract 4. We have already done this kind of questions, right? I hope we remember. So 4 years ago, so we have to subtract 4 from both. The product of the ages in years was 48. So according to question, 4 years ago, remember that. So if the age of the first person is x, then 4 years ago his age would be minus 4, younger by 4 years, right? And they're saying 4 years ago the product of the ages, product, which means multiplication. 4 years ago minus 4. Got it? So x minus 4 multiplying product. And 4 years ago, it's not that only one person will be younger. Both will be younger by 4 years, right? So 20 minus x minus 4. This is the age of the first person, and 4 years ago he was younger by 4 years. This is the age of the second person, and 4 years ago he was also younger by 4 years, and the product of the ages is 48. That's what the question is saying. So let's try to solve it. X minus 4. Let's first subtract this. 16 minus x equal to 48. Now x multiplies both, so x into 16 will be, x into 16 would be 16x, and x into minus x would be minus x squared, and 6 4 are 24, 4 2 4 and 4 5 6. So 16 into 4 is minus 64 because it's minus. Minus 4 into minus x, minus becomes plus, so 4x equal to 48. Now let's send x squared aside. So since I've already told you so many times that I want x squared to be positive, so since it's negative this side, I'm going to send this side, make it positive. Now 16x and 4x is same, so I can 8 subtract those two. So in this case we'll be adding, so 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 goes this side plus 20 as well na, itu fale minus 20x, right? Minus 64 goes this side, it becomes plus 64, and 48 in front of 48 is nothing is there, and the 48 did not change its position, so it will be plus 48 only. So x square minus 20x, if you add these two, 12, 1, 10, 11. So a here, a is 1, b is minus 20, and c is 112. So we have to find b square minus 4ac first. Equal to minus 20 the whole square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 112. So 2 to the 4, 400 minus 4 to the 8, 4 on the 4, 4 on the 4. We're getting minus 48. Negative means no real roots, na? No real roots. Therefore, they were asking what? Is the following situation possible? No, the following, the given situation is not possible. Done. Okay. So they were asking us if the situation is possible or not. We tried to solve it. Took b square minus 4ac. It came out negative, and negative means we know that it's no real root, so the situation is not possible. So question number 5. Last question of this exercise. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area at 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Same thing. So let's take, in this case, let's take length and breadth as x and y, okay? Let length be x and breadth be y. Okay, so we have taken it as x and y. So there's two cases given here. Case 1, if the perimeter is 80 meter. So perimeter, we know formula of perimeter is given 80 meter. Formula of perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth, right? 80, 2 into x plus y, because length plus breadth will do x plus y. Now I can cut this to 40, I guess. So x plus y equal to 40. Now I can send y this side, I can send x this side, it doesn't matter actually. So I'll just send x this side, minus x, okay. It doesn't matter. You send x, you send y, same thing, okay. Next, they're saying an area is 400 meter, nah? So case 2. Area equal to 400 meter square. But area is given by length into breadth. And the length into breadth is x into y only. But from equation 1, x equal to 40 minus this thing, now y equal to 40 minus x. So instead of y, I can write 40 minus x. So x into 40 minus x equal to 400. If I open the bracket, it will become 40x minus x square equal to 400. In this case also, x square is negative, so I want it to be positive, so I'll send everything this side. So x square minus 40x plus 400. So let's here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 40, and c equal to 400. Let's do b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac equal to minus 40 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 400. So 4 4 is 16. and here also 4 4 is 16, which is 0. So we're getting two equal roots. So it is possible, nah? It is possible, and if so, they're saying find the its length and breadth also. So let's do x, finding out x. Therefore x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, nah? Equal to minus b, in this case is 40, b is 40, I mean, and then root over b square minus 4ac, we got it 0, so it doesn't count actually. A is 1, so root over 0 is 0 only, so it's only, we're only left with 40, so 40 divided by 2 is 20, so equal to 20. So we're getting 20, but we know that it has equal roots, two equal roots, nah? Therefore length equal to 20, and see, length plus breadth is 40, and then we're getting 40 minus 20, so breadth will also be 20, right? So 20 and 20, no matter what, it will be 20 only. Got it? So that's it. Chapter 4 is completed.